Hey guys, check out SSF TV and subscribe for free. With your help, they have created a new platform designed by physicians for physicians. They have the most up-to-date content from the world's best physicians and top institutions. The platform is so well organized. And everyone is using it, giving you real-time access to physicians around the world. Plus, with the app, I can download and watch on the go. I absolutely love it.
I just want to shout out a friend of mine, Ben Rubin, was one of the early Curl and Jobe fellows who practiced in Orange County. He was a sports guy. He was the team doc for the U.S. diving team for about 20 years. And he was a great listener. He really kind of taught me a lot about listening to patients. But here's like the back quiz. You know, the back quiz is, which of all these tools do we rely on the most to make a diagnosis when you talk to the patients? Is it the history, the exams, first level diagnostics, second level diagnostics, all of it, none of it? You know, we all take the test. A long time ago, Vert Mooney, when I was very young attending, said to me, you get 90% of your diagnosis from the patient's history. And I said, what are you talking about? You know, kind of like these new things, these CAT scans and MRI scanners. But as I've gotten the same age as everybody else on the podium here, I came to realize that he's right, that the history is really important. So where do we get the history? We get it from our patients, and we need to listen to our patients to do that. But progress is sort of against us. You know, the older guys used to sit down and talk to the patients and spend time with them, but the new healthcare doesn't allow us those privileges anymore. We're getting paid less per patient we see, so you have to see more patients because our overhead keeps going up. We have to get more people working for us to collect increasingly less dollars. Consequently, we wind up with more patients scheduled in a clinic session than we really should. We're using more and more mid-levels, which is good. It's nothing against the mid-levels, but they're taking the time with the patients that the doctors used to. So oftentimes, they're the ones getting the good history and coming out and giving us one or two sentences, and then we go in and try to close the deal. But that's very different than the way we traditionally took care of patients. And then on the back end, we've got to deal with electronic medical records. So everybody's experienced that decrease in throughput because you've got to spend time. There are some docs, my cardiologist is wonderful. He can make good eye contact, have a good conversation.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. To continue, please log in or create an account for free. Thank you for your support.